Every week there will be an episode about work from home jobs. It's high in demand, especially due to COVID. And I have been working from home since 2007, so I know a thing or two about it. Every week, you will also learn how you can build your online business, go from employee to boss, and create multiple streams of income with one skill. All right here on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm excited about today's video. This is going to be a series now. It's every week. It's going to be work from home jobs every week. Before I go ahead and tell you about today's jobs, I'm going to take a moment for you to hit that subscribe right now. Done? Thank you. Okay, perfect. Okay, so make sure you have your notifications on too, because again, this will be coming every week and I don't want you to miss it. All right, so the first job that I have is called Easy Care. Okay, EASYCARE.com, Easy Care. And this a website that deals with auto dealerships. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on the right corner, careers. Want to search for a job, get started, and here it is, 22 jobs. Okay, so the one that does not say a city or state, those are remote jobs. Quality assurance specialist, so these are going to be mostly related to insurance, okay, and insurance adjusters. There are some dealership performance management jobs, but again, if you're just going to start today, and you have no experience, you would want to go for a job that requires no experience. So if we go to quality assurance specialist, this says job location is remote, okay? And usually the responsibilities: find and review all recordings for management requests and projects, audit call center reps, complete special projects when requested. These are just very basic things. You need to be able to multitask. You need to have strong interpersonal communication skills, like every job requires that. Strong Microsoft skills. Who doesn't have that these days? And if not, you can learn that. It's not that difficult. Just watch a few videos on YouTube and you'll become a master at it. Problem analyzing skills, excellent time management. These are like really basic things that everyone's supposed to have, whether you have a degree or not, whether you have technical training or experience or not. These are the stuff that every employer looks at. So I'm going to call this like a no experience necessary job, okay? And as long as it says remote, that's what you're gonna be applying for. Then the next one is business processor. Again, this says remote. This may require some experience. Minimal supervision, exceptional communication, ability to work with others. Problem solving, organizational skill. This, again, a high school diploma is required. Associate's degree is preferred but not required. This again is almost a no experience job. You start at a minimum, at a basic level, and then you make your way up. Okay, so the next job I have is West Marine, WESTMARINE.com. This is an outdoorsy or a boats. If you like water, if you like to be around the ocean, if you like playing with the fishing and the boating gear and all that, you're gonna love this. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll all the way and go to careers. When we click on careers, it's going to take us right here. So we're going to go to headquarters, click on headquarters. So they have headquarter jobs and distribution center jobs. So let's go to headquarters. This is what it is. As long as it says remote in front of it, You can be anywhere and work on this. Okay, so customer service representative. Again, no experience required because customer service experience or customer service knowledge is something that everybody's supposed to have, no matter what industry, what field you work in. And it says this is a work from home position. And all you're going to be doing is responsibilities: maintain efficient rate of contacts, reports to the assigned contact center lead, respond to both external and internal customers. Like really basic stuff, okay? A really, really basic stuff. So go ahead and there's a button, apply for this job or apply with Indeed. So go ahead and apply for this job, especially if you are more of, if you are somebody who enjoys fishing, boating, or that kind of gear, water. Okay, so the next one is going to be, that's going to be number 3. The number 3rd job is at Sitel, SITEL.com. Okay, this is very interesting. They've got so much going on. So at the very bottom, there's a link that says work from home. So you click on work from home jobs. It delivers exceptional experiences while working from home. They have a whole section of work from home jobs. Okay. No commute, flexible schedules, full and part-time opportunities, relaxed dress codes, work-life balance. I mean, what else would you want? Okay, so let's see. Click on find a work from home job, and it takes you to a whole list of jobs that are available virtually. It says location, virtual, it says department, work at home. Oh my God, and there are about 14 of them. Customer service representative. They will train you, and go ahead, and if you've been somebody who's been wanting to work from home for a long time but wasn't sure what is required, then start here and make your way up. Work from home inbound call centers, insurance agent, technical support representative. There's like 14 jobs right there. Okay, the next one is going to be, so that's going to be number 5th. And that's going to be the last one in this video. And it's called Alorica. A-L-O-R-I-C-A. Really big company and a ton of jobs. So click on careers at the very top right corner. And they're everywhere, they're global. Okay, so let's see, they have a special section right in the middle of the screen. It's work at home section. You click on that. Work at home jobs. These are all work at home jobs. So initially I had to choose a state. I don't know, it didn't let me go forward. So just choose any, but then when you get to it, work at home, customer service representative, virtual job. It's a work from home, customer service representative, equipment provided, virtual job. Alorica at home, $13 per hour, full-time customer service representative. Work at home, customer service representative. $14 bilingual customer service representative. Work from home, customer service representative. Oh my God, I'm looking at 8 jobs, all work from home. Minimum per hour is $13 an hour. So there you have it. Go to these sites, explore all options. Make sure you read the descriptions fully and fully understand what they are requiring. Due to COVID, lots and lots of companies are hiring remotely. But like I always say, you have to be in the right place at the right time for that one opportunity that's going to change your life. So to avail that opportunities, make sure you are saying yes to as many opportunities as possible. All right. Let me know in the comments, what industry are you looking for a work from home job? Don't forget to check out my next video. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and keep making a difference.